I can walk you through it. 30-year-old auto tech. I have a 92 all-wheel drive EG hatchback. Cat, you need to get out of the garage. So the starter solenoid is not getting power, but if I jump it to the positive, it will crank. So I check the ignition. I get 12 volts. I check the relay. We get 12 volts. So I was like, there's something going on in between the relay and the starter solenoid. Because if you jump it, it will crank. So that means there's something going on in here in the wiring. So then I did the clutch bypass, the clutch safety switch bypass, and it's still nothing is happening. So what I did was I actually removed the alarm system, and that I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but it might. Since the relay is working, what I wanted to do is I wanted to test this. I basically, to bypass the relay, or bypass that extra wiring that goes to the starter solenoid, I used a jumper wire from the terminal 87, which goes to the starter. And I ran a wire all the way over here to the starter solenoid because I'm like, okay, ignition 12 volts, relay 12 volts, something else is happening. And then I go to start it, it's cranking. So something from the relay to the solenoid is busted. We're getting close.